Welcome to day 172 of 365, opening a random booster pack every single day in 2026. Today we have a Chaos Rising blister pack from Pokemon. If you like Pokemon or other trading card games, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm opening up a random booster pack every single day in 2026. I didn't know that the Flygon on this pack was actually the Cosmofoil version. Probably should have known, but I guess it's pretty evident I don't open up Pokemon as intensely as some other people do. So it was a little bit shocking to see that it was actually worth a couple dollars. Inside the pack, you have the nice Vibrava illustrated by Miki Tanaka, who's also a great artist. If you don't have a Miki Tanaka collection going, you should definitely get on that because she has a lot of great cards from throughout the years. If you snagged any of these blister packs, let me know if you've gotten any good hits out of them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow for day 173.